I made a massive snow fort. Like massive. At one point, 15 of my friends were working on this thing. And it's so big, we even ate pizza inside. But before you see how big this thing is, you're gonna have to watch the video. Hey, what's up my beautiful subscribers? Today is Snow Fort Part 3. Let's go.
Guys, we need your help. We're building a big igloo. Any words?
We'll pay donuts. This is the snow fort. I'm so awkward on camera. It takes me like 20 seconds to run around.
And Luke runs at the speed of light, so that means it is 15 light years
Circumference.
in circumference.
Check the flow. What does it look like? Probably looks so good right now. How are you feeling?
I haven't seen my family in 3 days.
Goodbye, Evan. Forever. We're starting to dig. I think we could sleep in there.
Huh?
I think it's good. I think we're done. We can fit 2 people now. What is that song?
Just the two of us. Oh, I hate this big show.
What's up?
He's not even in boots.
What do you mean? Oh, what the heck?
I'm wearing Vans, bro.
He's got the drip and the ice. Get it?
Yo guys, I'm gonna start my new vlog channel right now. What should I say? What is going on, guys?
You gotta post that. Why is it so misty?
I don't know.
We're gonna die of carbon dioxide.
Guys, I'm probably gonna have frostbite, but I don't care.
Because we're gonna be stinking rich.
Because we're gonna be rich!
Something like that.
No, it's gonna lead to $1 million treasure. Where the Pirates of the Caribbean, you know the movie, the last movie they buried treasure in the snow?
They did that?
I don't know. I haven't watched that.
Yeah, they did it, bro! Okay, so, update. I'm a mean 6 feet, so this is how high it is.
As you can see, the snow fort is getting really, really big.
Just for reference, I'm 6'3", okay? I'm 6'4". Just for another reference, okay? I'm 6'3". Keep that in mind. That goes like really far. This is the longer part. This is
It's
huge.
massive.
Smack my arm. Oh, okay.
It is sick in here, dude.
It's actually warm. Like,
Yeah.
it's pretty warm.
Thanks for calling Little Caesar's Legacy.
Can we place in a delivery?
We don't do delivery over the phone. So we can do it through Skip the Dishes or on our Little Caesar's website.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Long story short, we had to go drive and get the pizza, but then we decided to have a little fun. It's delightful. That's the word.
Coyotes.
No.
There's bears in the street.
Peace out.
Good night.
Yo, what's up? I just woke up. They're all asleep. But yeah. Do you think it's strong enough to go on top?
I don't know, bro. Dude, did he actually fall through?